Hey there, Josh here from Limble CMMS, and in this video we'll be talking about routine maintenance and how it can help you streamline your maintenance operations. And if you want to keep up with all of our maintenance videos, make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe, because we come out with new maintenance videos pretty often, and that will enable you to level up your maintenance skills so you can become a maintenance pro. And let's go ahead and dive in and find out more about routine maintenance. So what is routine maintenance? Routine maintenance is used to describe maintenance activities carried out regularly to identify and address issues before they lead to equipment failure. Be it a truck, a building, a milling machine, or a forklift, no asset is exempt from wear and tear that comes with its daily use. So the main purpose of routine maintenance is to keep assets in good operating condition and reducing the fear of unexpected breakdowns. And addressing potential issues before they cause a disruption has many benefits that directly affect an organization's bottom line. So what are the different types of routine maintenance? And depending on the equipment in question and the type of maintenance work required, routine maintenance can be performed on a time-based schedule or a usage-based schedule. So a time-based approach is used for routine maintenance to schedule services based on preset time periods. For example, every week, twice per month, or every quarter. This approach is more commonly used. And then we have the usage-based approach, which schedules services based on cycles of machine operation, such as miles driven or hours in use, for example. So who is responsible for routine maintenance? In general, routine maintenance tasks are small and simple in nature and only require basic maintenance skills to perform them. Thus, routine maintenance is often carried out by machine operators, which frees up maintenance technicians to focus on more complex tasks. This, by the way, forms a basis of total productive maintenance, in which machine operators perform small maintenance tasks to increase the reliability of the machines they use every day. And the frequency of the services is determined by the maintenance managers or facility managers. Then they are scheduled and assigned to the machine operators, often through a CMMS. So what are the advantages of using a routine maintenance plan though? Since routine maintenance is an integral part of all preventive maintenance efforts, there are a number of benefits. So it improves the asset lifespan, reduces the number of unexpected equipment failures, keeps the assets in good operating condition, helps you better estimate your spare parts inventory, and it is a type of maintenance work that can be standardized and optimized. But of course, there are disadvantages. If you run a preventive maintenance schedule, you know that routine maintenance tasks take quite a few spots on your maintenance calendar. On this calendar, they're listed in blue, and that's the main challenge here of this proactive approach to maintenance. It often spends resources on maintenance work that might not be needed yet. The good news is that the challenge can be addressed by optimizing your maintenance schedules. When first creating your PM plan, you will likely follow the guidelines outlined in the equipment manual. Depending on the variety of factors, so how accurate are the recommendations from the OEM manual, the conditions in which the machine works, and the replacement parts you use, how hard you push the machine, are just a number of variables. The needs for routine tasks can be higher or lower than recommended depending on these. And organizations that leverage a CMS software are able to keep detailed maintenance logs and track metrics like MTBF, so mean time between failures, which can give them an idea of whether they should perform more or less maintenance work on specific assets. Now, here are some examples of routine maintenance. So we have equipment inspections. We have simple maintenance tasks that are done on a regular basis, like lubrication, filter changes, parts replacements, and more. And we have cleaning related tasks. That could be as simple as mopping the floor, cleaning equipment, washing windows, mowing the lawn, which are more relevant in property maintenance. And then we also have testing safety equipment. These are just a few examples so you can get a better understanding of what routine maintenance may cover. But there's so much more because the maintenance industry is huge. And it really depends on the type of assets and facilities that you're working with. So one of the things that can help you with routine maintenance is a CMS system like Limble CMS. And here are a few ways in which it can help. So we have scheduling and managing maintenance work. Limble CMS helps to define balance in maintenance schedules, to use push notifications quickly, to communicate task reassignments and task priority changes, to have instant access to all active and finished maintenance tasks, and to optimize maintenance schedules, and to use detailed maintenance logs and reports. And we also have controlling spare parts inventory. Visual inspections aside, you can't perform routine maintenance if you do not have the right tools or spare parts available. Limble CMS solution sets up email notifications when stock quantity goes to a certain point below a level that you have set, and it automatically tracks usage of your spare parts and accurately forecasts parts usage and budget for the next year or quarter. And you also have storing maintenance data. As we mentioned earlier, a CMS is very handy in optimizing your maintenance schedules, and it's crucial for optimizing the frequency of routine services. Using a CMS, you can drill down into your maintenance history and your maintenance reports to find all these different types of breakdowns to help you better understand the root causes of maintenance failure. And from there, it's just a matter of addressing the issue. And if you're looking to streamline your routine maintenance, then go ahead and check out Limble CMMS. More and more businesses are starting to take a proactive approach to their maintenance strategies. But we notice that many organizations find it challenging when it comes to setting up a proper structure, managing inventory, organizing optimal maintenance schedules, and basically everything that can be solved by having a modern CMS solution. This results often in lower productivity if they're not using one, and excessive maintenance on some assets and not enough attention placed on others. And it could also lead to bloated, deferred maintenance backlog. And worst case scenarios, it leads to a constant tug of war with unplanned machined downtime. So if you need help streamlining your maintenance program, go ahead and check out Limble CMS. We have a 30-day free trial. You can request a demo, and one of our team members will be happy to walk you through the product, or you can try out the self-demo as well. And all the links will be in the video description. With that said, if you enjoyed this video and if you've learned more about routine maintenance, then make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe so you can catch all the new maintenance videos that we come out with to help turn you into a maintenance pro. And I wish you the best of success in streamlining your maintenance operations at your facility.